Now, prosecutors are looking to file state charges against two men that former President Biden commuted during his final days in office.
Treasure Coast Bureau reporter Caleb Califano explains what needs to happen in order for the case to be reopened.
Nearly 20 years after one of the Treasure Coast's most horrific crimes, prosecutors say they are not done seeking justice even after an executive commutation last year. Appearing in a press conference this morning, State Attorney Tom Bacadal and St. Lucie County Sheriff Richard Del Toro say they are reopening the case against Daniel Troya and Ricardo Sanchez Jr., both federally convicted and initially sentenced to death for the execution-style murders of Luis and Jessica Escobedo and their two young children. Investigators believe the murders were motivated by a drug debt involving Luis. The family was found shot to death along the Florida Turnpike in 2006. Bacadal described the scene as unspeakable.
I remember like yesterday arriving on scene, and I remember seeing what I could only describe as having occurred as a result of an act of extreme evil.
Last December, then President Biden commuted the men's sentences to life without parole. Now prosecutors plan to file state charges seeking the death penalty again. Prosecutors are using a legal strategy called the dual sovereignty doctrine to avoid any thought of double jeopardy.
So it's ingrained in the Constitution. It's completely solid. It is not a matter of a violation of double jeopardy.
Bacadal says the process will be a massive undertaking with thousands of pages of documents and hundreds of witnesses to re-interview. The sheriff's office will assist with new interviews and evidence, promising to follow the case wherever it leads.
We have over 800 personnel in this agency, and I don't care what it takes to make sure that this case gets done the right way. We have a lot of work to do. But our detectives here are second to none.
Prosecutors say with plans to refile the case, they're not just looking at Troya and Sanchez. They're reopening this case to anyone that could have been involved. In Fort Pierce, Caleb Califano, WPBF 25 News.